Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you number 9. The gift tags in my Christmas gift tag series that I'm sharing with you guys. It's a 10 tag series, so we are just before the 10th one. This is number 9, and actually I was inspired by another tag I saw on Pinterest. And so this is tag 9. I just love how it turned out. The wreath is from the Stamps of Life. They had a die and stamp set come out with that. The enamel dots are all from the Stamps of Life. This tag here is one from my stash. I don't have, who it is, but these are the tags that I cut out. I did back them with white cardstock and added the two from. I added the twine at the top for the tie, and then I got these red satin bows off of the internet. This Joy is a Stamps of Life die as well. And I just love how these tags turn out. So I hope you guys have been enjoying. Stay tuned for the last one that's coming up next. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you guys are ready for the holiday season. For more videos like these, see here. And until the next video, shakas!